drink, wake up, drink, baby, drink, baby, drink. Nah, I done grew up around some people living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had the golden flask, backstroke every day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels, some people want to kill their sorrow, some people want to fit in with the popular. That was my problem. I was in the dark room, loud tunes, looking to make a vow soon that I'ma get fucked up, filling up my cup. I see the crowd move, changing by the minute, and the record on repeat. Took a sip, then another sip, then somebody said to me, nigga, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you hear the swimming pool.
Dudes, I'm over here vacuuming, and I keep pulling stuff off, and I keep finding more things. I'm gonna have to pull all the panels off. There's like a mouse or something just living in here at one point. I have no idea. That's filthy. But we're in here just vacuuming this thing, and it's getting there. All right, back to it.
Full of liquor, then you dive in it. Full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wave a few bottles, and I want you on flight. All the girls wanna play, they watch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor, and they dive in it. Pool full of liquor, I'ma dive in it. Drink, headshot, drink, sit down, drink, stand up, drink, pass out, drink, wake up, drink, baby, drink, baby, drink, hold up, drink, headshot, drink, sit down, drink, stand up, drink, pass out, drink, wake up, drink, baby, drink, baby, drink.
Okay, now open your mind up and listen to me, Kendrick. I'm your conscious. If you do not hear me, then you will be history, Kendrick. I know that you're not sure right now, and I'm hoping to lead you to victory, Kendrick.
If I take another one down, I'm trying to some poison, I'm losing my limit. I think that I'm feeling the vibe. I see the love in her eyes, I see the feeling, the freedom admitted as soon as the damage your vodka arrives. This how you coming to lies. This is parental advice. Still apparently, I'm over influenced by what you were doing. I thought I was doing the most, and someone said to me, nigga, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you hear the swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wave a few bottles, then I want you on flight. All the girls wanna play, they watch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor, and they dive in it. Pool full of liquor, I'ma dive in it. Drink, headshot, drink, sit down, drink, stand up, drink, pass out, drink, wake up, drink, baby, drink, baby, drink, drink, headshot, drink, sit down, drink, stand up, drink, pass out, drink, wake up, every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs lest I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song, alright. I really hope you play this. Oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clear clearly a lot for me to take in. It don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day. When you figure out you're gonna need someone, when you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice. Poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin, your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write.
I got loyalty inside my DNA. Broken corner piece, got more rap pieces inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, no ambition, flow inside my DNA. I was born like this, it's more like this. Immaculate conception, I transform like this, perform like this. Without you, a new weapon. I don't contemplate, I meditate. They're off your fucking head. This that puts against the bed. This that I got. Realness, I just kill shit 'cause it's in my DNA. I got millions, I got riches building in my DNA. I got evil that rots inside my DNA. I got off, I got trouble so hard inside my DNA. I just win again, then win again. I rebel, then I serve. Yeah, that's him again. The sound, the engine, and it's like a bird. You see fireworks, they go and tires skirt the boulevard. I know how you work, I know just who you are. Just use it.
Anime while I drive, pretty freaking cool. So yeah, got the double din installed. Gonna need DVDs, start filing them in so I can watch some bullshit while I drive, right? Not really at all, not really. That it's just kind of Interior's looking good. We swapped some stuff around. Obviously we did take the original carpet out, we put the 04 STI carpet in. And we also put 04 WRX seats in. We did have to swap the buckles from the original Impreza seats. So it's something you'll have to do. If you don't want this like asinine angle, if you want to get more this way, you're gonna have to chop them with a grinder so that you can get there's like a triangle piece to it. I should have showed, but I didn't chop it, so I just installed it. She's good to go for now. But I mean, for the current state, the interior's definitely a lot more comfortable, cleaner than it started, and overall just better, especially with the double din. That is smooth right there. But we do have to get an amp and a sub, so that's one thing we're gonna do. The AC actually has an issue with the blower motor. It's got some stuff in there, maybe I can clean it out, and that's the fix. So I will have to take this dash out, and it is filthy. I'm gonna have to get that rectified. In the meantime though, it's not the biggest thing to fry with this car. The gas efficiency is pretty bad. I don't know if that's like an O2 sensor, like a rich lean issue, or what we got going on here. So I do need to get the check engine lights checked out and see what we're doing, but otherwise the car seems to be driving pretty good. We did get the exhaust swapped out. I will have a video on that to come, but if for the meantime, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching, one, and then make sure you subscribe too. And if you've already subscribed, well, thank you for continuing to support. If you have any questions, if I left anything out, ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
Nick, you're stupid.
Let us pray, keep them ends away on a daily basis. Raise his legs, stab him in his face. He said I look like Satan. Away, got him out the way, his body start to decay. What a day, moving body bags on my fucking base. Play.